Hello students, welcome to this video lecture class on key differences between entrepreneurial characteristics and characteristics of entrepreneurship. Okay, these two topics we discussed earlier, entrepreneurial characteristics and characteristics of entrepreneurship, both look the same. It seems they are repeated, certain qualities, certain topics, certain examples are repeated. But actually, it's not like that. They are two different topics. There are some key differences between entrepreneurial characteristics and characteristics of entrepreneurship. Let us discuss these key differences with examples in the coming slides. First thing is the difference between entrepreneurial characteristics and characteristics of entrepreneurship. First thing is personal traits. Entrepreneurial characteristics means personal traits and qualities that define an entrepreneur. He might be resilient, he might be a visionary, he would like to innovate, he has got exceptional leadership skills, he is willing to take risks. See, all these things are personal traits. Whereas characteristics of entrepreneurship, features or elements that describe the entrepreneurial process. For example, innovation. Entrepreneurship means innovation, risk taking, resilient, opportunity recognition. All these things are part of entrepreneurship journey. Entrepreneurial characteristics reflect the individual qualities necessary for success in entrepreneurship. So these traits, all these traits which we discuss now, resilient, vision, leadership, all these things. Whereas characteristics of entrepreneurship reflect the nature of the entrepreneurial journey and what it entails. Next one is focuses on entrepreneurial characteristics, focuses on what makes the person successful in business. What are the qualities he has so that he is very successful? People are curious to know about these traits and characteristics. That is entrepreneurial characteristic. Whereas characteristics of entrepreneurship focuses on the essential elements that define the business, right from starting, running, and growing a business. So that is these are the essential elements to run a business. Focus, individual versus process. Entrepreneurial characteristic is very much individual. It focuses on the individual traits of the entrepreneur that help them succeed in starting and running a business, the traits which discussed. And process is more of entrepreneurship. It focuses on the overall process and essential factors that define the act of entrepreneurship, regardless of the entrepreneur's personal traits. Example, entrepreneurial characteristics. Oprah Winfrey. She was hosting a talk show for more than 25 years. She is known for her charisma and leadership qualities, which helped her build a media empire. Characteristics of entrepreneurship. Her business journey involved the innovation of talk shows. Oh, innovation. Every time she has to find out a topic, come out with a topic. Recognizing the need for personal connection with audience, opportunity recognition, and managing multiple ventures. Okay, she has to pool resources for all these activities. That is resource management. Next factor is internal versus external focus. Entrepreneurial characteristics. These traits are internal qualities. Your risk-taking ability, your resilient nature, all these things are innate of the entrepreneur that drive them to take action, overcome obstacles, and achieve success. Characteristics of entrepreneurship. These are external factors related to the business environment, market conditions, and processes necessary for a business to thrive. Examples, entrepreneurial characteristics. Richard Branson's perseverance and risk tolerance helped him expand his Virgin brand across various industries. Richard Branson, he started his business in 1970s as a record store in London. Slowly over the years he developed, and he has this brand has got more than 400 companies almost in all the sectors. And characteristics of entrepreneurship. Virgin Group's entrepreneurial process involved innovation. That is, they launched an airlines called Virgin Airlines. That is innovation. Opportunity recognition. So, what is the need for him to enter into this field? Because he felt there is a need for affordable flights and managing resources. He needed capital and also talent to run this business and also to scale up the business. Innate qualities versus learned skills. Innate qualities, that is inherent, that is present in a person. Entrepreneurial characteristics. These are often innate qualities: risk taking, resilient nature, decisiveness, proactiveness. All these qualities are innate, or personal skills that an entrepreneur develops over time through experience, challenges, exposure, and personal growth. Whereas entrepreneurship, these are learner skills. Okay, how to start a business, how to mobilize the resources, how to approach for fund, how to budget. So all these skills can be taught, and they are taught across various schools, and business strategies are also taught. So these qualities, these skills that entrepreneurs apply to successfully run and grow a business. Examples: entrepreneurial characteristics. Jeff Bezos' relentless work ethic and visionary thinking were key traits that helped him grow Amazon from a small bookstore to a global giant. Actually, he was working in a bookstore before starting his own project. So that helped him. That experience as a salesperson might have helped him. That trait to sell books, that trait would have helped him to launch a e-store, e-commerce industry. Okay, characteristics of entrepreneurship. Amazon's entrepreneurial journey involved market research, recognizing the opportunity for e-commerce, that is opportunity recognition, building a scalable model, and innovating with technology innovation. Personal attributes versus business actions. Entrepreneurial characteristics. These are personal attributes of an entrepreneur, such as self motivation, leadership, and resilience, that help them navigate the entrepreneurial journey. Characteristics of entrepreneurship. These describe the business actions that need to be taken in order to establish and grow a business, such as product development, customer acquisition, and financial management. Examples: entrepreneurial characteristics. Ivan Spiegel, co founder of Snapchat, showed bold leadership and creativity to introduce a disruptive social media platform. So, what is the characteristics? This entrepreneurship. The Snapchat business model involved recognizing the need for ephemeral messaging, that is, opportunity recognition, innovating with augmented reality filters, innovation, and managing user growth, scalability. Motivation and drive versus strategy and execution. Entrepreneurial characteristics focus on the motivation and drive that fuels the entrepreneur to take action and overcome personal and professional challenges. They are self motivated. And characteristics of entrepreneurship focus on the strategies and actions, steps taken to implement, process to be followed to implement the dream or decision. So, strategies are very important. Strategies and actions taken to transform an idea into a sustainable and scalable business. Examples: of course, all of us we know Elon Musk. His drive and passion for space exploration led him to launch SpaceX and push the boundaries of technology. Characteristics of entrepreneurship. The SpaceX entrepreneurial process involves strategic actions like developing reusable rockets, innovation, collaborating with NASA, resource management, and managing risks in an uncertain industry. Risk management. Risk and uncertainty versus market and industry needs. Entrepreneurial characteristics emphasize an individual's ability to handle risk and uncertainty. Already these entrepreneurs, innovators, are risk takers. They are doing business in a highly volatile or uncertain domain, including taking personal and professional risks in the face of unknown outcomes. Characteristics of entrepreneurship: concern with how the entrepreneur must navigate market conditions and industry needs, industry trends to seize opportunities and build a viable business. Examples: entrepreneurial characteristics. Howard Schultz took a personal financial risk when he decided to open a coffee shop model based on the Italian cafe culture, which was unfamiliar in the US at that time. So that saw the birth of Starbucks. Right? Characteristics of entrepreneurship: Starbucks entrepreneurship involved recognizing the trend of coffee culture becoming a social experience, that is the opportunity, and scaling the business globally. Scalability. He wanted to emphasize the people that there is another place, third place to relax other than your home and office, a place to hang out, to relax. So that he wanted to communicate to the stakeholders. Intrinsic motivation versus market needs. Entrepreneurial characteristics relate to an entrepreneur's intrinsic motivation, such as passion, ambition, and a desire to create something meaningful. In characteristics of entrepreneurship, focus on addressing market needs and creating solutions that fulfill demand, solve problems, or improve existing products or services. Examples: entrepreneurial characteristics. Mark Zuckerberg's passion for connecting people led him to create Facebook. Characteristics of entrepreneurship. Facebook's entrepreneurial journey involved identifying a gap in social networking platforms, innovating with a user friendly interface, that is innovation, and scaling the platform to connect billions of people, that is scalability. Tesla and Elon Musk. Okay, we will have a case study. Entrepreneurial characteristics, visionary thinking. Elon Musk had a vision of creating sustainable energy and a future with electric vehicles, which he pursued relentlessly with Tesla. Risk tolerance. He took significant personal financial risks by investing his own money into Tesla during the company's early years, despite doubts from investors and the market. Resilient. Despite several near bankruptcies and technical failures, Musk determined, leading Tesla to become a leading electric car company. Characteristics of entrepreneurship. In this innovation, Tesla revolutionized the electric vehicle market by creating cars that were not only environmental friendly but also high performance and attractive to mainstream consumer. Opportunity recognition. Musk saw the opportunity to address the environmental impact of traditional vehicles and create a new market for electric cars. Resource management. Musk effectively managed funding from investors, suppliers, and talent to scale Tesla's production and expand the business globally. Airbnb and its founders, entrepreneurial characteristics, creativity and innovation. Brian Chesky and Joe Gebbia, the founders of Airbnb, were creative in recognizing the potential of turning their apartment into a temporary guest room to make extra income, which sparked the idea for the business. Determination. Despite early rejection from investors and skepticism about the concept, they persisted and continued to refine their business model. Leadership. As leaders of Airbnb, Chesky and Gebbia were able to inspire a global team and build a strong company culture focused on hospitality and trust. Characteristics of entrepreneurship. Once again, market needs. Airbnb capitalized on the growing need for affordable and unique accommodations, catering to travelers seeking more authentic and cost-effective lodging options. Scalability. The business model of Airbnb allowed is to scale globally by leveraging technology to connect hosts and guests in multiple countries. Risk taking. The founders had to take the risk of operating in a highly regulated and competitive market, challenging the traditional hotel industry. Amazon and Jeff Bezos, another case study. Entrepreneurial characteristics, visionary thinking. Jeff Bezos, had a vision of creating the everything store and transforming how people shop online even before the internet became as pervasive as it is today. Self-motivation. Bezos' personal drive led him to leave his high-paying job on Wall Street to start an online bookstore with the idea of expanding it into a larger online marketplace. Adaptability. Bezos was able to pivot from selling books to selling everything from electronics to groceries as Amazon grew, adapting to customer demands and market trends. Examples, characteristics of entrepreneurship, innovation. Amazon introduced groundbreaking technologies like click shopping, Amazon Prime, and its marketplace model to revolutionize e-commerce. Opportunity recognition. Bezos recognized that the internet could change retail forever, creating a platform for consumers to shop from the comfort of their own homes. Financial acumen. Bezos made strategic decisions about reinvesting profits into expanding Amazon's infrastructure services and global reach, eventually making Amazon one of the most successful companies in the world. Recap. So, aspect focus. So, entrepreneurial characteristics, personal traits of the entrepreneur, characteristics of entrepreneurship. We concentrate the focus on business processes and actions, nature, internal qualities such as resilience and creativity, external factors such as innovation, opportunity, and recognition, development. Innate or developed traits over time. Here, learn through experience, strategy, and market knowledge. Scope. Personal qualities that drive success, business actions required to establish and grow a company for characteristics of entrepreneurship. Influence on the individual partner, whereas for characteristics of entrepreneurship, influence on the business process as a whole. In summary, entrepreneurial characteristics are personal traits of the individual entrepreneur that enable them to succeed in business, such as risk taking, resilience, and vision. So, characteristics of entrepreneurship refer to the action, strategies, and processes required to create and grow businesses such as innovation, opportunity recognition, and resource management. Both sets of characteristics are essential, but one is centered around the individual while the other is focused on the broader business landscape and the journey of entrepreneurship itself. Thank you.